In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage eBay messages. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to your messages quickly and confidently, and how to make sense of what you see once you're there. This walkthrough is perfect if you're selling, buying, or simply keeping track of important updates on your account. First, head to eBay on your desktop and look toward the top right area of the page. Hover your mouse over the My eBay option. Don't click yet, just glide your cursor over it. When you hover, a drop-down menu appears. This is a handy shortcut hub for your account activity, and Messages is one of the most important spots in that list. If you don't immediately see the menu, move your cursor slightly or pause for a second. As long as you're signed in, the My eBay menu will open and stay visible while you hover. Now, click on Messages in that menu. That single click takes you to your message center, where conversations from buyers, sellers, and eBay itself are organized in one place. Think of this page as your inbox for everything related to your transactions. Along the left or top, you'll typically see organizational sections, and in the main area, you'll find a list of message threads with senders, subjects, and timestamps. Unread messages are usually highlighted so they stand out, helping you quickly spot what needs attention first. Inside each conversation, messages are arranged in a timeline so you can follow the context without hunting through separate emails. You'll often see order detail referenced thus in the subject line or within the message body, which helps you connect the conversation to a specific item or transaction. If there are attachments or photos, eBay will display them in the thread so everything stays together. A few simple habits will make this page work even harder for you. Keep your replies clear and friendly, and reference the item title or order number so both sides stay on the same page. Avoid sharing sensitive personal details or directing someone to pay outside of eBay. Keeping everything within. Messages protects you with eBay's policies and record keeping. If a conversation looks like a system notification from eBay, such as a shipping reminder or a policy update, give it a quick read so you don't miss important changes. You'll also notice tools that help you stay organized, like basic filters or search. These make it easy to locate older threads or find messages about a particular item when you need them fast. When you're done catching up, return to your eBay browsing or account tasks, knowing that your communications are centralized and easy to revisit. That's it. Hover on My eBay, then click Messages. Simple, direct, and reliable for managing every conversation in one place.